This is a sketch of the Lagos hairline. The work was kind of an urgent work. The client reached out to me at the dying moment. She needed the hair like within 3 days time. So I had to like rush everything. So this is a much video I could make out of the whole thing. So this is pretty much me showing you how I sketched the hairline. It's already sketched already, so if you need a more detailed video about this, you can just let me know. So this is me ventilating the base of the closure. Actually, this is a 9x6 closure, so I always give my frontal closure a base. So I always give it 1 inch for the base before I now move to the body of the frontal or the closure. At this point, I was already done with the body of the closure, so I was about to start the hairline. So when I started ventilating the hairline, I was picking 2 to 1 strands of hair. So when I got at the tip of the hairline itself, I started picking just 1. So I started picking 2, 1, 2, 1. So when I got to the tip of the hairline, I don't know if you understand what I mean by the tip of the hairline, you know, the arc, yeah, and the peak. I started picking just 1 strand of hair. Here is the final look, guys. This is what it looks like after ventilating. This is the result of what all the work is all about. So please know that this is not a beginner video. It is not a beginner video. So I hope you really enjoyed this video. Please remember to give it a thumbs up, and also subscribe if you want to be seeing more of this. I'll be uploading more of these, so please like and also comment on what you think about the look.